Couple love doves and a deer. I'll walk up and see how close I can get to the deer. She notices me. What you doing, girl? Oh, dang, I don't know if I got that. A bird flew up and that little bird just ran the dove off the line. Says that's my spot. Little bird says that's my spot. Dove's like, I'm out of here. What you doing, girl? I think that's a doe. Or it might be a button buck. You button buck or doe? Can't see with your big old floppy ear. You looking for corn? Oh, they're fighting. That little bird won't leave that dove alone. There's a little bird. They're all chatting back there. It is a button buck. Hey, buddy. It's a young one. Some real long legs. How you doing, buddy? Yep, that's a buck. He's looking up at the sky or something up here. What you doing, buddy? You let me pet you? Let me pet you? He's a youngin'. What you doing, buddy? It's your first year out here, huh? If I stand too long there, I'll get too many chiggers on me. Zoom out so I can hold it and look at him. What are you doing, buddy? Come here. Maybe he'll let me pet him. Probably not. I'm gonna go around this way. Hold my hand out. And he's gone. Where you going? Oh, there's one deer.